Holy shit. This thing has left my garage for the first time in 2.5 years. It is going to finally be showing some love. As you can see, I grinded the paint away to stitch weld the body a little over a year ago. Cut some of the frame out. That's got surface rust on it, so we'll have to wire wheel all of that out. Bam! And finally gonna show this thing some love. Funny because everybody thinks because of what I do that I actually like working on cars, but it never takes long before I realized just how much working on them actually sucks. So I am currently up underneath the dash, unbolting the brake booster, and let me tell you, is so fun. It's just so fun. So there's always that one bolt that it's like the factory just never intended anybody to ever work on ever. I found that bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4 is tucked up in that back corner. Sweet. Thank Jeeves for pivoting ratchet. Got the brake booster out of there, cleared up a lot of room. I can finish taking out the rest of the insulation that I didn't years ago, and also finish stitch welding it.